Claim: Did US really return stolen antiquities to India following Johran Mamdani's remarks? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Several social media users have claimed that the New York authorities have returned stolen antiquities following New York Mayor Johran Mamdani's comment. Verified ex-user Pictures Folder shared such a post with the caption, "New York authorities have returned over 657 stolen antiquities, valued at $14 million to India." The post gained over 719,000 views and can be seen here. Other users have shared similar claims that can be seen here and here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is misleading. The returns resulted from long-running criminal investigations by the Manhattan District Attorney's Antiquities Trafficking Unit, and Johran Mamdani's recent remark about returning the Kohinoor diamond to India is unrelated. Fact check details. Digit India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be misleading. The artifacts were returned as part of sustained investigations by the Manhattan District Attorney's Antiquities Trafficking Unit, not because of any recent remarks by Johran Mamdani. Mayor Mamdani's statements about the Kohinoor diamond is unrelated to the effort or action taken by Manhattan Antiquities Trafficking Unit. The report states his comments, "If I was to speak to the king separately from that, I would probably encourage him to return the Kohinoor diamond." View a section from the report here. Nowhere in the report mentioned about Mamdani's comment or his directive. View a section from the report here. Back in 2024, India and the US signed their first ever deal for the retrieval of antique objects, thus, the claim is misleading. Claim: New York authorities have returned over 657 stolen antiquities following Johran Mamdani's comment. Conclusion: the claim is misleading. The returns resulted from long-running criminal investigations by the Manhattan District Attorney's Antiquities Trafficking Unit, and Johran Mamdani's recent remark about returning the Kohinoor diamond to India is unrelated. Rating: misleading. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit India.